Alright, so we are here with Fred, aka the 1985 Camaro Z28 IROC-Z. We are here because we are about to winterize it, which basically consists of putting fuel stabilizer into the car and running it for 10 minutes.
Yes, sir. So, 10 ounces, about a little over 10 ounces.
There's 8 ounces in the bottom.
This is a 305 engine. It's hard to see because it's almost dark, but it sounds really good. Makes a lot of power. It's a really, really nice little car here.
There's no pusher.
No, no tank still. I might be able to get it all in here with this cup. I didn't think about that. You've got some in there, which is better than nothing.
This is going to be the last starting of the season. It's October 12th, almost Columbus Day. I hope it starts. So this is actually exhaust smoke from the Jeep. Nope, sorry. In case anyone was wondering, that exhaust smoke that was coming out of the storage area, it was not like smoke, really. It was just exhaust fumes, and it's cold, so it created kind of an updraft and looked pretty cool. And disconnecting the battery for the season. You gonna store that in the house, Matt, or?
Probably. The basement. Walmart.
Final bug remover and touch up. Bug remover. Using a little bit of wax, spray wax. Good night, Fred. We'll see you in 6 months, 5 months.